Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get and how to sign up to the Trust crypto wallet. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the App Store on your iPhone or iPad or Mac, and then go to the Trust crypto and Bitcoin wallet, which is a great way and one of the most popular wallet types for crypto. All assets in one place. Buy, receive, and send crypto. Swap your coins instantly, view prices and charts, and spend anywhere with lowest fees. So just download the app, then go to open or open it on your homepage, and then there is a sign up process if you don't have Trust Wallet yet. With these they offer a few details about the app: private and secure, private keys never leave your device, all assets in one place, view and store your assets seamlessly, and trade your assets anonymously. Then just tap on the create a new wallet if you don't have any, or go to I already have a wallet if you have. And here you have to read the privacy policy and the terms of service. Yeah, I already read them, so I won't go do it now, but if you didn't, you should before you sign up. Then go to continue, back up your wallet. In the next step you will see 13 words that you have to remember, so you can back up your wallet if anything happens. Then check this line and go to continue, and then after those 12 word recovery phases you can start using your Trust wallet. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye.